guys, my name's Sasha and I want to show you how to make a bracelet today. So today we'll need some wire. I've got these ones already cut and twisted a little bit, and I've got these Lumo glow in the dark beads, and these are some examples of ones I've made before. To start, I want to get one of these and put the bead on, and then I'm going to turn the wire like that so it looks like that, and then I'm going to put these round nose pliers like that, and you'll see there's an extra bit there, we just need to cut that off. And then it'll look like that. You can use pliers like this just to close it. There we go. And that's one of the chain. I've also got beads like this one, which are a little bit pointy, and it's the same process. Just turn the wire a little bit, put your pliers in like that and turn it round, and then cut off the excess. And close the loop. Once you've made a few of these, we can start putting them together like a chain. I've put the wire through these and made loops on each side, and now I'm just going to connect them. So you just get the side that opens like this and turn it to the side, and then you just connect them together like a little chain. There we go. It'll start looking like that. I'm just going to keep connecting them together until it makes a chain. It doesn't matter which sequence they go in. Now that we've got a chain, we can join it together here if it's big enough to go over your hand, or you can put a clasp. I've got this pretty little S-shaped one. Just hook it like that, and there you go. A nice little bracelet. It's also glow in the dark. Thank you for making a bracelet with me today. If you liked this video, please watch more like it and subscribe.